Nagdimbang ilang sikat at veteranong foreign mixed martial arts fighters sa kakayahan ng mga Pilipinong sasabak sa King of the Cage Philippines bukas ng gabi. Hindi rin nila naitago ang paghanga kay pambansang kamao Manny Pacquiao. Maki-time out muna tayo kay Mark Zambrano.
20 local mixed martial arts fighters ang mabibigyan ng pagkakataong lumaban sa King of the Cage Philippines. Ang King of the Cage ay isang global MMA organization na naglalayong bigyan ng exposure ang mga MMA fighters mula sa grassroots level. Dumalo sa press con ng veteran MMA fighter at Hollywood star na si Quinton Rampage Jackson na bilib sa tapang at husay ng stand-up attacks sa mga Pinoy MMA fighters. Payo ni Rampage,
get your wrestling. Learn how to defend the takedowns really good. Get your ground game. Learn how to defend the submissions and everything, and learn how to get back up to your feet so you can keep doing your boxing, because that's exciting. You know, this is my style of fighting. I like to be very exciting, but don't limit yourself to just being a boxer.
At dahil tagahanga siya ni Manny Pacquiao, sigurado siyang mananalo ang pambansang kamao laban kay Brandon Rios sa Nobyembre. Manny
is so energetic and has so much emotion when he fights, and he's such a great technician and on top of that, very humble. And that makes him a superstar and loved not only in the Philippines but in America and all over the world.
Ang veteranong MMA referee at dating cage fighter na si Herb Dean, tinukoy ang mayamang combat culture ng Pilipinas na dahilan sa paglago ng MMA dito.
Filipinos are going to do really well in the sport, and also there's a tradition of combat sports here, with the martial arts, with boxing, with kickboxing, and with athleticism in general. As far as I think that the Philippines has a lot of really great athletes throughout all sports.
Kaya naman ang defending middleweight champion na si Sean Strickland, aminadong hirap lumaban kontra sa Pinoy.
Like, just like in the Philippines, you get a tough kid, an inner city kid that trains all day. I hate fighting those guys. I hate them. You hit them, you beat them up, and they just get up and come at you. So, it's gonna be a great, especially the weight classes. I love little guys. Little guys, they have the best fights.
Magaganap ang King of the Cage Philippines bukas, 6:00 ng gabi sa Mall of Asia Arena. Mark Zambrano, nakatutok, 24 oras.